Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So outside of the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you've also got front and rear parking sensors as well as a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside this features Peugeot's iCockpit, which gives you the small sporty steering wheel. Above that you've got the 12-inch digital head-up display and also the touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got connected 3D navigation. You've also got dual zone air conditioning, cruise control. So let's have a look around the car. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.